You say?
Should I get it for you?
No, you can start.
All right, so I'm eating calamari. Well, I call it squid and some fries. This fries looks like elementary fries. Kind of fries is this? Look, you recommended to me, so I'm gonna eat it.
So you eating squid?
Yep, I'm eating squid.
Interesting.
Does not look appealing.
Have you ever had squid before?
No, hell no, I had not had no
So
squid.
this is your first time trying squid?
Yeah, I did not. Let's see. It's like eating cardboard. It has no flavor. Why is it so liquidy? I don't like the fact that it's really chewy. This shit is gross, man. It's so fucking chewy, man. My God. Let's try the fries. The fries is all soggy and hell is nasty. This is the worst meal I've ever had, but I'm hungry as hell, so I'm still gonna eat it. What is this right here? What kind of frying is this?
It's not an onion ring, that's calamari.
I know, but the skin is like they didn't even season it properly. It's literally like eating cardboard, like a chewy ass cardboard. Man, I can't even do this no more, man.
No way.
I can't do this. It's like it's eating cardboard. It tastes like ass. My God. I can't do this, man.